The new cases from Benks for my S25 Ultra arrived. So we do have here the Armor Air 600D, the Armor Pro, guys, and then a brand new case, the Armor Pro Montage. This one is something that I would like to really test, and it's time for me to remove this no-name case that is actually not that bad at all, but can't really compare to a real proper case, and just give a nice gift to my S25 Ultra and put a real case. So guys, let's now unbox those new cases and let's see how good they are. That's my new beautiful S25 Ultra. I'm gonna put it here, and we are going to start with the first case. This is something new from Benks. This case again is using DuPont Kevlar fiber, but this specific version uses 600D and 1500D fiber. So this should be very, very durable. Now let's open the case and see what do we have inside. All right. Whew, this really feels very nice and soft to the touch, guys. And as most of the Benks cases, it has the required protection to make sure that your precious phone is going to remain intact. It has a raised camel lip, guys. So not only now do we have these so-called fake rings on the S25 Ultra, but we do have also raised camera lip. We have protection also for the buttons, right? And then guys, here down below we have all the cutouts for the S Pen, also for the USB-C port, and for the speaker, and a full protection here. Very light in the hand. Of course, we do have magnetic wireless charging, guys. And let me show you something. I do have also this cooler from Benks. This will really stick, guys. The first thing I would like to do is measure the case. So I'm gonna put it here. All right, 35 grams. 21 grams on my no-name case, but yeah, just basic protection, guys. So with 35 grams, you are really getting one of the best cases that you can buy with money. Just take a look on that beautiful design, guys. And we do have here Montage art. I really like the way this case looks. So now let me install the case, guys. How do I do it? Usually, right, there is a proper way to do it, but I do it like this. Oh, wow. Yeah. Feels just, yeah. The perfect case for the phone. 255 grams, guys. This is not really a lot, given the fact that now your phone is fully protected. 255 grams doesn't feel like a lot with all this protection, and the buttons are also very nice and tactile. Just listen. All right, volume down, volume up. There is also a lip here around the screen, which means that when you put a phone like this, the screen is gonna be protected. But also, take a look on the back. Here, the raised lip around the cameras will also give you an additional protection. And honestly, guys, now this new Montage, the grip is really good. This is really interesting. This part is a bit more slippery, but this here just gives you enough grip. And specifically when you use the phone with one hand like I do, and I place my finger here, yeah, this feels really very grippy. Definitely a very good looking case, very stylish case with all-around protection, and also built with Kevlar by DuPont, 600D and 1500D fiber. So now that I have this here, it's time to proceed to the next one. And the next one, guys, is going to be the big guy. Is the Armor Pro. This case here has 6 feet drop protection, so I'm just eager to see what we have here. Built with Kevlar, we do have the MagClub designed by Benks, so magnetic charging, also all MagSafe compatible. And yeah, guys, you can just stick it like this. Let me show you, by the way, I'm gonna do this now on the Montage case. So I'm just going to, boom, stick it up and yeah, do the test. And as you can see, yeah, this is really a strong thing. Let's check what do we have here. Again, 600D Kevlar built by DuPont. We have again the protection around the camera, so the raised lip is here. All buttons protection here, all the cutouts on the ports. So it's a very similar case to the Montage, but guys, it's also different in terms of design. And I have a feeling that this might be a little bit heavier, 40 grams. So yes, the Armor Pro is heavier than the Montage, but this is gonna give you the required protection. Let's remove the phone from the Montage case and try to put it here in the Armor Pro. And oh boy, you can already tell this feels really very sturdy in the hand, guys. And now let's check. We do have again the camera protected. This time I have a feeling that the lip is even higher than on the Montage, and it overall feels like a very sturdy case. Now the grip is similar because I do believe he is probably the same materials. I like the Montage because this part here provides additional grip for, let's say, one-hand use. But honestly, guys, this is a premium case with a very tough protection. 259 grams with the Armor Pro case. And speaking about Armor Pro, it's time to check the Armor Air version. And this one is different. Let me show you how. Gonna open the case. The first thing, guys, that I immediately notice, this thing is so light, and there is a reason for this. So let's first check the protection, guys. We do have again the same Benks camera lid here that is raised and will protect the camera, but we have cutouts for the buttons, not only here on the side, but also on the back. This feels so thin and also like so light. I have a feeling that this is gonna be my new daily driver. 23 grams, guys. This thing definitely wins in terms of weight, and this is also a good explanation why this case is called the Armor Air. It does have the same Kevlar 600D, guys. The drop protection here is 4 feet. So here we have 6 feet with the Armor Pro. With the Armor Air, we have 4 feet drop protection, guys. But the design is just stunning. Let me move my phone to this case here. I almost have a feeling that I'm really wearing my phone without a case. This is an absolute design for me. All right, 244 grams, guys. This is just so good. So most probably I'll end up with using this case as my main daily driver, guys, for 2 reasons. All right, so the first thing is the design is just stunning. All right, I like the fact here that this is in silver, so there is a contrast. Also, reason number 2, this case has cutouts that allow me to see my original phone color on the frame and also here on the back. Yep, now fully snapped. And also, guys, a third reason, this case is very, very, very light. Now with these ultra slim cases, there are some things you need to consider. This area here, when you just put this next to your phone, this might be not so convenient. This is not so much the case with Benks, but with other brands. Yep, no, this is absolutely okay. So this is not gonna scratch you. And also, guys, just this is not the best protection compared to these two, but this is probably the best design if you wanna go really to something that is almost like caseless. But you still have the protection and you can still try to touch your phone if that's your thing, and you can also see on the back. So honestly, guys, the Armor Pro Air might be the case that I'm gonna be using as my main driver. Maybe sometimes when I'm biking or hiking, I might go and just level up the protection with the Armor Pro or with the Montage, because the Montage is a new thing here, guys. See, on the Montage we have a black frame around the camera lip, and this is really very minimalistic in terms of design. So if you want to go with the highest protection, maybe this thing here or this thing here. If you want to go almost like caseless, you can use this thing here. And if you want to level up your screen protection, guys, there is something else that you can use, and this is this product here. This is the Glass Warrior screen protector. Now, I myself, I'm not very happy with using additional screen protectors. But guys, if you need to protect your screen, sometimes it's better to use a product like this. So I really hope that you have liked this review, guys. If you like videos like this, just go and watch some of my old videos. I do a lot of tech stuff, and I hope that you're gonna like some of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, VST, over and bye.